Imagine turning your unused internet and GPU power into real money and crypto rewards. Welcome to the future of AI and decentralization. Today, we're diving into Solastro AI, a cutting-edge project built on the Solana blockchain that lets you earn tokens just by installing a browser extension and letting it run in the background. With a massive airdrop of 5 million SOLA tokens and 5,000 USDT, this is your chance to be part of something big before it hits the spotlight. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just getting started, Solastro AI rewards you for doing almost nothing. Stick around to see how you can join the airdrop and start earning today. After logging in with your Google account, we will have this interface. Continue linking with MetaMask or OKX wallet, it's up to you. Next, please verify your email to authenticate your account to avoid being banned for spam accounts. Next is social mission. We spend hours online every day, browsing, scrolling, doing things that fade the moment we close the tab. But what if those moments could mean something more? With Solastro AI, just by running a browser extension, you're not only earning rewards, you're joining a movement. Every task, every share, every click helps build a future where AI is powered by the people, not by big tech. It's simple, it's quiet, but together it's powerful, and it starts with you. At the moment, the social task section is not working properly. If you're seeing errors or nothing loads, don't worry, it's not just you. This feature is currently under maintenance, so please check back later. The Solastro team is likely fixing it, so stay tuned and come back soon to complete those tasks for extra rewards. After registering and completing the task, we will download the app. Just install the Solastro app, log in, and that's it. The extension will quietly run in the background and automatically earn points for you using your idle power. No clicks, no effort, just let it run while you go about your day. It's simple, passive, and perfect for beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.